My name is Sadaf Afzal. I am student of AI from Nihan School, Alojwich United School. My teacher name is Shams Fabriz. Today topic is mindfulness and habits. ये लिखी है डॉक्टर जेडसन ब्रेवर ने जी. When I am first learning to meditate and the instructions and different things and simply pay attention to my breath and when my mind wandered to bring and it back and sounded simple enough, yet I had sit on these days and silent restraint sweating through shirts in the middle of winter. I had take naps every chances, and I go because it was really hard for time and different things. Actually, it was everything and everything. The instructions was simple and enough, and but I was missing something really important. So why is it so hard and to pay attention studies and show that even when we are trying and show pay attention to something and like maybe talk to some points of different things and half of drift off into different daydreams and on her habits, which is Twitter feed. And so what's going to here, and it was turned out we are fighting and one of the most equitable and conserved learning process currently known is science. In science, one day conserved back to the most basic things and system known to, or this reward based and learning process and difference all things and basically goes like this. And we see some food that looks good and looks like to uh, coolers and servile milk eat food that say taste good, and especially with sugar our bodies and send a singles to our breath and says remember what you are eating and where you found it. And we lay down, and this concept depend and memory and learn the process next time. And see foods, eat foods, pull foods, and repeat trigger behavior rewards. Simple, right? Well, after a while, our creative brains and eyes say now that you can see our things and difference all things. And well, after a while, our creative brains say you can difference all things, and next time you feel bad. Why do not you try eating food and eating something good so you feel better? And we thank our brains for the great ideas and great all things, and try to chocolate ice cream and different all things. My favorite ice cream is chocolate, and said we feel better. Maybe in your uh, 13 years we were a near dark, and that we are accident we were neat at school club, and we see those rebel, or and then some smoking are among and leading prevently goes off. And difference all things mindfulness smoking and like strictly cheese and taste like chemicals. And now she knew consecutivity that smoking taste like it. Now she moved from knowledge to wisdom. She moved for knowledge to wisdom, and she moved for knowing in her hands that smoking was not for knowing, and in her bone. And the smell of smoking is so irritate, and she started to become distancing with the behavior. And now the protocol context and then difference all things and perspective and creative understand and then level, and then should not smoke. And this is not say that magically we quit smoking, but over time and different all things and different worlds, results of actions and affect your health and new habits and difference of change the habits. The paradox and her is the mindfulness is just bring and result interest and getting happiness in our bodies and minds from moment to moment, and prospector activity that necessary ever change the life. And but when you get caught up in it, We get shocked. It takes time to arrive in construct when we learn to go step over process. Just by being crucial aware of what's happiness, the same brain region quieter. And now we're testing app and online based mindfulness trying program that target this one and maximum that help us step off our unhealthy habits, painter, and then different things. And just a crucial aware of what's happiness in your middle body in the moment. It will just be another chances and to prepare one of the endless and expensive habit tools or step off out of it. Instead of seeing next message compulsively, text back. Feel a little bit better, notice the urge, and get curious, feel the joy of letting go and repeat. एंड देन इस स्टोरी में माइंडफुलनेस के बारे में बताया है कि हमें अपनी एक गलत हैबिट को कैसे एक अच्छी हैबिट में तब्दील करना चाहिए। मतलब कि जो इस स्टोरी में वो डॉक्टर थे उनकी एक गलत हैबिट थी सिगरेट पीना, जिन्हें वो चेंज करना चाहते थे क्योंकि वो रोजाना सिगरेट मतलब कि पीते थे। जब सिगरेट पी रहे हो तो वो बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा होता है कि ये इंसान जब अपना एटीट्यूड दिखा रहा होता है, लेकिन वो एक एटीट्यूड नहीं बल्कि वो उसकी हेल्थ पे असर कर रही होती है। उसके मतलब कि जो अंदर की चीज़ें होती हैं ना वो ख़राब हो रही होती हैं, जैसे जिगर, ये चीज़ों पे वो बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्टेबल हो जाता है। तो इसलिए उन्होंने बताया कि हमें अपनी हर बुरी हैबिट को चेंज करना चाहिए जो हमारी लाइफ को सेट कर सकती है। एक अच्छा खाना, अच्छा पीना, अच्छा बैठना, इन सब चीज़ों को। और जैसा कि हमारी भी एक हैबिट सबकी अपनी अपनी होती है और मेरी होती है कि लेट सोना, मतलब कि लेट सोना और लेट उठना, और जिसे मैंने चेंज किया है। और अब मैं बेटर फील करती हूँ कि मैं जल्दी उठूँगी, जल्दी नाश्ता करूँगी एंड देन फिर मैं अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करूँगी। इसलिए सब अपनी एक हैबिट जो है गलत हैबिट, उसे एक सही हैबिट बनाए, मतलब कि एक अच्छी हैबिट चुने और अपनी लाइफ को बेटर बनाए। थैंक यू।